Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to use Pandabuy app. So the first step is to install the app, which is this one here, Pandabuy. You can find it on App Store or Google Play Store for free. Then simply open it and then you'll have to simply log in or create a brand new account. As you can see, I already have an account, so I already logged in. And basically here on the home page you'll see this search bar where you'll have to paste the product's link, as you can see, or you can even search for them if you want, but usually people share their links, and you can find products. You can scroll down and you can find the recommended products if you want. It's easier. And as you can see here at the top, you have a guide, some estimations. So if you click on estimation here, you can check the shipping price of your products if you want. Then you have affiliates and then forwarding, and then if you go to account, you can check out your orders, the warehouse, rehearsal, the parcels, and much more. You can check out the cart, the favorites, then your balance, the coupons. There is the online support if you want. You can go to the settings here and change the shipping address, and much more. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next